Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Reels on Facebook. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So normally Reels is more optimized for Instagram and I'm pretty sure Facebook gives you an option where Reels that you make are posted on Instagram rather than Facebook, but now you can do it. So how you can do it is rather an indirect way and it's not that easy to access, but I'm going to show you how. So you're going to first of all open Facebook. Now from Facebook, you're going to go onto your profile on the bottom right corner. Okay. Once you go onto the bottom right corner, you're going to click on videos. Now from videos, you're going to scroll all the way to Reels. And once you click on Reels, it's going to get you over here to Reels. And from Reels, you're going to click on the capture icon on the bottom right corner. And once you click on the capture icon, you have a bunch of different options where you green screen, you can take an already video that you have, or you can just shoot with a camera, a reel. So that was basically how you can create a reel on Facebook. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.